Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ram 1500 Laramie, however you want to pronounce it, I've heard it both ways. Crew Cab 4x4. $56,995. I think this is Delmonico. Yep, Delmonico red over black. 5.7 liter Hemi made it to the, read this backwards, 8-speed auto. Nice suede materials. Options this one has: Delmonico red, the leather trimmed seats, Laramie level A equipment group, the 5.7, the rear wheelhouse liners, the navigation, and the upgraded wheels. Not bad. That sounds really good, actually. I'm not gonna lie. This one does not have the e-torque system, although we have a ton that do. Also, if you have messy kids or you drink soda all the time, you can take this out, wash it. Now, take all the junk out of there and just slide it right back in. Ideally, the same way it came out. Power adjustable pedals, comfortable ventilated and heated seats. This slides fore and aft. All right, there's your backup camera. So I almost nail myself in the leg. Refreshed in 2019, Ram 1500 is, well, Dodge. They renamed it Ram. But it's Dodge's solution to the F-150, the Silverado. I don't think I need to say that. If you're watching this video, I think you have an idea of how competition works. Now, yes, I own a Dodge. This is my favorite. F-150 close second. Just the luxury that you find in here with the power and everything. Just everything just feels good. There's a reason why I own a Dodge. A Corvair! Look at that! You never see those around. Definitely not on the road. Wow! Sorry. Gotta do a little bit of car spotting. Brakes are phenomenal, honestly. What's amazing is, after stepping out of the Ram Classic into this, it's amazing when they did the refresh how much more of a luxury car this feels like. Yes, this is a higher trim level. It's gonna be a difference. I understand that. But even just how the 8-speed, the 5.7, just everything is so light and just easy to drive. It's really honestly surprising, and that's the reason why these trucks are my favorite. You can tell. Parking lot situation, steering is nice and light. It's really easy to see around. You can also tell just how quiet it is. It's quiet. It's comfortable. You can daily drive one of these. And I think people in Europe, they don't understand American pickup trucks because they really don't fit in out there. But once you come to America and you drive one, you realize how well these fit on our roads, how comfortable they are. I think you'll see why there's so many of these out on the road. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.